So let's talk about a procedural violation. When is it a denial of FAPE? Does that mean if procedurally, the school district has 60 days to assess and hold an IEP meeting? What if they hold the IEP meeting on the 61st day? Does that mean that it's a procedural violation? The school district is denied FAPE, the judge rules against them? Not necessarily, because as the law says, it only constitutes a denial of FAPE if, it impedes the child's right to a FAPE, it significantly impedes the parent's opportunity to participate in this IEP process, or it causes a deprivation of educational benefit. So let's go back to my 60-day example. If the IEP is held on the 61st day, you're going to have a tough time arguing that it injured the child. It impeded the parent's right to participate. However, if it took 4 or 5 months to get the assessments done and hold the IEP meeting, you have a much stronger argument that it's a procedural violation, don't you? Because that child potentially missed out on services for all those months when that IEP should have been held, the programming should have been in place. The parent couldn't participate in that process either for months and months, determining what the child needed. So that's the standard for procedure. It has to really impact the child's programming or the parent's right to participate. So what about the failure to implement? When is that a denial of FAPE? Well, again, it's something more than just a violation to the T. It has to be more than a minor discrepancy between the services the school provides to a child and the services required by the child's IEP. So the speech services, let's say that the speech person missed 2 sessions in a semester because they were ill or something and the school didn't have somebody to fill in. Is that really a material failure? Not necessarily. I mean, did the student really, have some kind of harm from that, or really miss out on valuable and critical instruction? Not necessarily. But if the speech person has quit and they can't find a replacement, which is becoming more common these days, unfortunately, months might go by and they're not getting services. That probably would be a material failure. So what does the school do in that situation? I mean, they can't just say, well, we're trying to hire people, but nobody's applying. They have to look to maybe a private agency and bring that private agency in to support the students in the meantime.
Sign up for our newsletter at iepsolution.com for more upcoming IEP Tips to Equip webinars, live workshops, and boot camps that will go into this topic and other topics in special education in much more detail. Thank you for watching this IEP Tips to Equip webinar.